buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
If you're looking for a good value, low cost convertible for the summer, in really good condition, this could be the one for you. 2004 BMW 318 Ci, electric roof, really good condition throughout, original Irish car, 2 owners with just 52,000 miles. Very high spec car, it's got full leather interior, seats are in really good condition, lovely trim on the dash. The back seats, I don't think I've ever been sat in. Room here for children or young adults. Really good condition door cards. Multi-adjustable electric front seats. As you can see, really clean carpet front footwells. Just 5-speed manual. Unworn leather steering wheel. Stereo CD with air conditioning. As I said, just 52,000 miles. Comes with both keys. Very clean boot. Also the engine bay, fully serviced. Recent MCT, ends July, and comes with a book pack.
Let's go for a little spin. Starts first time on the key. In really fabulous condition. I don't think there's a better one round. It's 18 years old. Great specification on this. Has the climate control, the air conditioning. Stereo CD. Good sounds. Lovely leather steering wheel. Full leather interior. Electric seats both sides. Very snug inside. No wind noise with the roof up. Drives really well. Spent a good bit of money on this, bringing it back to perfect condition. 4 new Dunlop tyres, brake overhaul, full service, resulting in a lovely, lovely car. Great bit of fun for the summer. I don't think there'll be a finer convertible around for 7,500.
Price is €7,500. Car comes with 3 months parts and labour warranty and an NCT till the end of July. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.